Okay, my dear students and my dear friends, I am MS Valimat. My qualification is MA B.Ed Karnataka State Eligibility Test. So, uh, in this video, I am going to the discussion of PUC second year first unit, that is origin and growth of Indian political system. So I only discuss about 1 and 2 markers questions, and it is more helpful for the second year students. In that view, I will try to solve 1 and 2 markers questions for the unit number first. Already you know that unit number first is origin and growth of Indian political system. My dear students, in this video I only try to solve 1 and 2 markers questions, and moreover that I hope you know that the unit number first is origin and growth of Indian political system. In overall this one unit, we try to understand especially the history of 1935 Act and 1947 Act and interim government, first general election, integration of states, like this. These are the main important points of the unit number first. We have I think understanding in this one unit. So for the 1 and 2 markers questions, I only try to solve here. It is easy to understanding for the second year students, and here I will try to analyze the answers also. Okay, now I will let us start what are the important questions in the unit number first. Dear students, only I solved the 1 markers question here, and then my next videos I will try to solve 2 markers questions and 5 and 10 markers questions. So very important one question is there in the first unit, that is, when did India became independent? So in the last so many questions you should understanding, just you have to observe that this is one markers question, and most important questions they will rise. Therefore I will put that questions. When did India become independent? I hope already you know that the answer is 5th August 1947. Okay, and now I will going to the second one important question, that is, when did the Constitution of India came into force? So you should understanding here, when did the Constitution of India came into force? So you not get the confusion here. So in the Indian constitutions you should understanding 2 important points. One is the adoption of Indian constitution, and another one is the implementation or the came to practice. That is one question. So just here they were raised the when did the Constitution of India came into force. It means when it is practice, start to the practice. You should understanding this one question. Already you know that the answer is 26th January 1950. So January 26th in the year 1950 our Indian constitution came into force. Just you have to write 26th January 1950. It is enough for the 1 markers questions. Okay, this is one. And now third question is, when was INC formed? When was INC was formed? So answer is 1885. When was INC formed? Just have to write the year 1885. In the year 1885, the INC was formed. And another one question is there, expand the INC. In some of the examinations they will arise this one questions, expand the INC. Therefore INC, it means Indian National Congress. Indian National Congress. So you should understanding INC. I will wrote here the INC was Indian National Congress, and when was it is formed? So it was formed in the year 1885. So I will put two answer here, just you have to understanding. And fourth one question is, which act transferred power from company to the crown? So I think it is when you have to understanding the history of Indian Constitution. In that time you should understanding this one point. So answer is in the year 1858. In the year 1858. I hope you should understanding in the year 1857 it was one revolution was happened in the Indian history, that is Sipahi Mutiny, first fight struggle for the India. So that is one war, it is small war happened in the year 1858. So after the after the 1857, the power transferred from the company to the crown in the year 1858. In that act it is called as a British Crown Act. Okay, British Crown Act, it is also 1858, or the transferred power from company to the crown. In the same answer is 1858. I will wrote in the bracket, it is called as a British Crown Act. So this is most important. In the 1858, the company it is transferred power to the crown. Okay, so the fifth one is when were the three round table conference held? So in the year 1932 it is held the conference third round table. Dear students, you should understanding first round table 1930, second round table 1931. So third round table in the year 1932. So these are the sequence wise you should understanding this one point. Okay, but you should write the only answer is 1932. In the year 1932, the third round table conference held. Okay, I am only discuss here most important questions in the political science unit number first. Okay, these are the very most important questions. Now I will continue that 1 markers questions. So the sixth one is, who was the chairman of Boundary Commission? This is also most important in the point of examinations. Who was the chairman of Boundary Commissions? So I will try to briefly explain of that situations in the year 1947. So in that 1947 happened the recognitions of boundaries between the India and Pakistan. So one name was very famous for the boundary commission, that is Sir Cyril Radcliffe. Just you have to write Sir Cyril Radcliffe. So Sir Cyril Radcliffe, he was the chairman of the boundary commissions. Just you have to remember this one name very famous for the boundary commissions. So Sir Cyril Radcliffe. And seventh one is, when was the interim government formed? Okay, so already I talked about that. The main factor of the first unit is that is the interim government. So the question is, when was the interim government formed? So answer is 2nd September 1946. Okay, 2nd September 1946. Sometimes the students, they will write only the year of that event in the year 1946. It is also enough, but you should completely you write that year. So 2nd September 1946. If it is possible, just you have to write 1946. There is no any wrong, but completely you should write 2nd September 1946. So in the 1946 September 2nd, the first interim government formed. Okay, yes. In the next question is, when were the first general election held? So I think question number 7 and question number 8 both are the very important. When were the first general election held? So answer is October 1951 to February 1952. Okay, this is the answer, but maximum of the students, they will write only 1951 to 1952. Okay, that is also right, no any doubt, but you should mention the month also. So October 1951 to February 1952. This is the very perfect answer. So you should write from for this one, October 1951 to February 1952. Otherwise you just have to write 1951 to 1952. That is also right answer. Okay, so this is question is most important. And ninth one is, which country is considered as world's largest democracy? Okay, I hope all of you know that this name of the country, that is our country, that is India. So my dear students, you should understanding India is a very biggest or largest democratic system in the world. And I hope all of you know that the Constitution of India, the Constitution of India, it is also the biggest constitution in the world, as well as the democratic system, it is also India. So the whole world, the largest democratic system in also in India, and the very biggest constitution in the world, that is also Indian constitutions. You should understanding these two concepts: very largest democracy system, that is India; very biggest constitution, that is also Indian constitutions. So you should understanding this one point. And I will going to the next one question, that is, who is responsible for the integration of states? So you should understanding, you should not forgotten this one name. That person is Sir Sri Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sri Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, already you know that the man of iron of India. So that name very famous for this person, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He was the responsible for the integration of state. My dear students, just you have to understanding this question and answer. When you have to completely read the unit number first, automatically you have try to understanding these question and answer. But I will explain only question and answer for the this one video. In the next videos I will continue 1 markers question, and second videos I will going to the 2 markers questions. Please all of you clearly observe these videos and make it clear of that question and answers, and take the benefit of this video. Thank you one and all.